You guys doing well, and today I'm going to show you that how you can create a portfolio section into your website. So now I'm gonna start from the Bootstrap section, which have the actually section which have the class is portfolio, and then we need to add container here and then row here with the call md. If you want to add 3 cells into the section, you can simply add 4 here, and if you want to have 3 to 4 cell, you need to add 3. So all the 12 columns will be considered into this. So I'm gonna add 3 columns into my project, and then static 3, which is have the image. Actually, the we need to generate this one, and then add a figure here with the image tag, which have the images into this. So I'm gonna create an image and then add a placeholder with the class of img fluid, and now I'm gonna add fig caption here for the text. Fig caption, actually fig caption, and then we need to add a heading over here with the h4 name, and then we will add our portfolio description here, maybe title here, and then add some paragraph here, which is have the description of your portfolio details. And if you want to add a button for the hyperlink to get you through their portfolio, you need to simply add a hyperlink and then class, which is btn primary, and then add some go to portfolio, or maybe click here or follow us or anything, whatever you want. And I'm gonna copy this and then paste into my other grid cells and save this. Let me show you the results that we have got in the web browser. So you can easily add an image into this. Currently I'm using a placeholder just for to show you that now I'm gonna add some styles and style this portfolio section using my SAS file. So here is my section, and then section, within the section we need to have figure and then image. We don't need to style image because by default it is responsive. So now I'm gonna add h4 tag to make a style. Font size should be the 18 pixel, and then padding should be 20 pixels or maybe 10 pixels from the top to bottom. And then also we need to add padding over here, which is have the padding from the left to right. because we don't need to add padding into our image space, which is this one. By default it is getting space of grid cells, but we need to add spaces from the left and the right. So uh, you can see the figure caption which have the heading, paragraph and then hyperlink. You can simply go to the figure caption and then add a heading within this, and then paragraph should be have 14 pixels of font size, and padding from top to bottom is 10 pixels, and then you need to add some padding here from left to right, which is 10 pixels, and then I'm gonna add some borders, 1 pixel solid, 1 pixel solid, and then add some variable which have the color gray, 300 pixels, 300 of the value, because this is the Bootstrap default grid which is defined in the Bootstrap variables, uh, like over here variables, and then now we have to have this color code within our Bootstrap variable. That's why I'm using this variable into my section, actually 300. So this is 300, and then now I'm gonna style my button which is BDN, and remove border radius to 0, and then need to close our inspector. So here we go, we have added this portfolio and the description and the button, and this will create a border, and then I'm gonna add some more spaces after the button. So you need to go to the button and add some margins. Margin bottom should be 10 pixels, and now we have created our portfolio section into our website. So we need to adjust these spaces because the spaces are so messy here, and we need to add some just padding from top, 10 pixel, and for the paragraph we need to also have the padding from the top, and by default it is getting margin. That's why I'm making this border margin bottom from the, it is like this one. So we are getting some line heights over here. We can also remove this line height by adding line height which is 18 pixels as our font size. So here we have reduced our heading, and now I'm gonna restyle this by using font style which is normal. So here we go, we have added font style normal into our portfolio, and you can add multiple times your grids, like this one, and I'm gonna repeat this because I need some more boxes which need to display. So now I'm gonna if you don't want this extra gutter space within your grid cells, you need to simply go to the row which is defined here. You can just simply add a class with the no gutters and then save this. So we have a border from the left and right, that's why we are getting a line. And if you want to remove this line, you can simply go to the go to SAS and then remove border and save this, and you will see that our every portfolio is had no space. So that is how you can create your portfolio. Let me add some description and make it center, and then you can simply go to here and then text align center. This will automatically become centered. So that is how you can modify your portfolio by using SAS. So that's all for now, guys. Hope you guys enjoy my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can also click my subscribe and then click the bell icon for the latest updates. So that's all. See you guys in my next video.